Okay, greetings from 162 Sawmill Road in Pulaski. Very quiet street. I did observe that there is a natural gas right-of-way line that runs down through the property, and you'll see that when we come further here. But front of the house, paved driveway, nice areas for cars out back. The wood exterior is just a T111, and it's been painted recently. The deck, as you can see, needs a little bit of TLC and a fresh paint job. There's vinyl underneath there. The owner is aware that her roof is going to need to be replaced, and she's willing to potentially credit whatever amount that may be for the roof to be redone. Swinging around, little shed for storage, backyard, and you can see in the distance there the natural gas right-of-way line that goes through the back. Stone fence along the one property line over here. Your doors into the basement. Again, nice little back patio porch. Your neighbor is over there. That is a small garage that's part of the neighbor's house, kind of hidden back in the woods there. Nobody on the other side down there. They're way down the hill. So, alright, you can see here how this is all looking. House was built in 1980, so these windows are likely to be from 1980 is what I'm thinking. Enter into a little bit of tile flooring into a small little half bath right when you first come in. A small little, let's call it 16 by 16 room that has the wood burning stove. View out the back again. As you spin back around, there's going to be entrance that way to the upstairs. We come back through here again, the floors, tile onto tile, into the kitchen room. Laminate top kitchen. Older appliances, but all looking to be functional. You know, your cabinet space, not a huge amount, but certainly enough. Would classify this as a eat-in kitchen with your little kitchen nook here. Looks like a little water damage there. But baseboard, hot water heat to go along with the wood burning stove. Entrance, hardwood floors into the, I guess, formal dining room or another family room, however you wanted to classify it. Back into the kitchen there. Main door from the outside. Let's see what we got here. Small little coat closet. Onto some laminate floors into the little small family room area. Hi, Mr. Kitty. Up the one step here. Wide staircase to upstairs. Carpet's going to need to be replaced. full bath. Bedroom number 1. Closet. Decent size, ceiling fan. Bedroom number 2. Baseboard heat. Carpeting. Bedroom number 3. And bedroom number 4. Entry into the basement. Block foundation, high ceilings with some recessed lighting. Washer and dryer setup down here with the well system as well as our fuse box panel. Everything looks legit. Vinyl floor, concrete floor. Oil, which is fueling the hot water boiler system. And then more storage. Small little work area set up. Back out into the kitchen, into the dining room. All in all, very solid home, just a different layout. And we will talk with you guys soon.